Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be making a homemade health drink from coconut. Now this is a very good rejuvenating drink, especially after working for long hours in the hot sun. It is also good for geriatrics, pregnant and lactating women, convalescents, children and people of all ages. This drink serves the purpose of supply energy and ions to your fatigued body. Coming to ingredients, you need water of 1 tender coconut or raw coconut. I could not get tender coconut, so I have used the raw coconut. It's good if you get tender coconut, that is more tastier than the raw one. 1 tablespoon grated coconut, then 2 to 3 cardamom, you can powder and keep it. Then 1/4 cup red pova or rice flakes. You can even use the white one, but I prefer the red one since it is more tastier than the white one. 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can skip it if you are diabetic or you don't like to have sugar. So sugar is totally optional for the preparation. Take the coconut water in a bowl, add sugar, it is optional, I told you already, and mix well. Then add cardamom powder and grated coconut. You can add rice flakes also and mix well. Mix well after adding the rice flakes. Your tender coconut drink, health drink, is ready to be served. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.